Welcome to our Excel training. Let me tell you about a few unknown features of the Control key in Microsoft Excel. For example, when you select the entire table with CTRL A in a list, did you know that when you press the Control dot, you move within the area you selected with each dot on the left corner of your selection? It's a great shortcut. To control the area we have selected, look, we use it very nicely and simply. All you need to do is select the table with Control A, then press Control, hold, and you can move to the corners of the table you have selected by pressing the dot. Another shortcut for using Control is to select wide ranges. For example, after clicking on the first cell of unit prices in the list we have, you can use the scroll bar on the right side to go up again when you select the entire table by pressing the Control-Shift down arrow. Here we can go to the top by pressing the right button and saying tap. This is another shortcut. But if you want to do this from the keyboard, all you need to do is press the backspace key on the enter key together with Ctrl. This is a very useful shortcut for wide selections, especially when writing formulas. To see where we started, let's do it again. I clicked on A2, Ctrl Shift right arrow and down arrow. Look, I selected the entire table. I started the selection again by pressing Ctrl backspace. I returned to the ground. In this way, to follow Excel videos, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and let's not forget to share. See you again in the next training video.